What's going on, guys? Ricky here with GSM Arena, and today we're taking a first look at the Honor View 20. Now, we had already checked out the Honor View 20 when it launched in China, but now we have the retail box and we're able to unbox it and show you guys what's inside and show you some of its top features. So without further ado, here is the Honor View 20. Here's the View 20's retail box, and it's pretty standard for Honor phones. Inside is the phone itself, which is beautiful, by the way. Underneath that is a SIM tool, a clear case, a Huawei supercharger, and USB cable. The first time Honor made a phone this beautiful was the Honor 8. It used multiple layers of glass to create a reflective effect, and the View 20 just takes it to a completely different level. I'm glad to see the design has evolved to this from the View 10's average-looking metal chassis. It would be a shame to put this phone into anything other than a clear case. There's a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus IPS display, and it's the same size as the one on the Mate 20 Pro, but the resolution is lower. The other difference is it's an IPS LCD instead of the more contrasty AMOLED panel on the Mate 20 Pro. We can't talk about the screen without mentioning the hole punch camera. This is the next solution to getting the most screen area that's not the notch. Behind this display cutout is a 25 megapixel selfie camera. Is it the most elegant solution? Maybe, maybe not. But I still argue that it's less obtrusive to the status bar than a proper notch. The View 20 includes a Huawei supercharger in the box. This 22.5 watt adapter is really quick, and it can charge the phone's 4000 mAh battery to over half capacity in half an hour. Though the View 20 and Mate 20 Pro share the same processor and some of the internals, the View 20 actually has a higher resolution camera. There's a 48 megapixel Sony sensor, which is combined with a secondary depth TOF, or time of flight sensor. We'll let you know if this approach makes portrait photos look any better. The sensor has even enabled a body shaping feature that makes you look thinner. But what about those who might want to look #Team Thickums? Otherwise, I think we can expect some really great photos with the View 20. It will be interesting to see how these photos compare to the Mate 20 Pros. So let us know what you guys think of the Honor View 20. Now, Honor hasn't officially announced the global availability and which markets it's coming to, but it will do so at the January 22nd launch event in Paris. So we'll be following the Honor View 20 as it gets launched, and let us know what you guys think of the View 20. So I'm Ricky, signing off for GSM Arena, and thank you for watching.